Today we are talking about the next generation compact drone that everyone in the content creation and travel filmmaking world is waiting for. The all-new DJI Mini 6 Pro. DJI has completely dominated the lightweight drone category for years, and with every new release they push the limits of what a sub 250-gram drone can actually do. The Mini series has always been about power and a tiny body, and now the Mini 6 Pro is expected to take that formula to a completely new level. The Mini series started as a beginner-friendly compact drone line, but over time it has evolved into something much more serious. When DJI released the Mini 3 Pro and then the Mini 4 Pro, they proved that small does not mean weak. Now with the DJI Mini 6 Pro, expectations are extremely high. People want better camera quality, stronger obstacle avoidance, longer flight time, smarter AI tracking, and even more professional features packed inside an ultralight frame. Let's start with the design. The DJI Mini 6 Pro continues the lightweight philosophy, keeping the drone under the crucial 249-gram mark in most regions. This is extremely important because in many countries, including the US and parts of Europe, drones under 250 grams avoid stricter registration requirements. That means more freedom for creators, travelers, and hobbyists. Despite staying under that weight limit, DJI is expected to redesign the frame slightly to improve aerodynamics and stability. In windy conditions, the arms may be slightly reinforced, and the propeller design could be optimized for quieter flight and better efficiency. One of the most exciting upgrades in the DJI Mini 6 Pro is the camera system. DJI understands that camera quality is the #1 reason people upgrade their drones. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to feature a larger image sensor compared to previous Mini models, possibly moving toward a 1-inch sensor for improved low-light performance and better dynamic range. If that happens, it would be a huge leap in the sub 250-gram category. A larger sensor means more detail, cleaner night shots, and more flexibility in color grading. Video resolution is also expected to improve. While previous models supported 4K and even 4K 60 FPS, the Mini 6 Pro could push into higher frame rates or even offer enhanced 4K HDR performance. DJI may also improve the color science, offering 10-bit D-Log or an upgraded D-Cine-like profile to give creators more cinematic control in post-production. For YouTubers and filmmakers, this is extremely important because better color depth allows more professional results. The gimbal system is another area where DJI always delivers. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to maintain the 3-axis mechanical gimbal, ensuring ultra-smooth footage even in windy conditions. Horizon leveling improvements could also be included, meaning even if the drone tilts slightly in strong wind, the footage remains perfectly straight. Vertical shooting mode, which became popular with previous Mini models, will likely return, making it easy to shoot content directly for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts without cropping. Now let's talk about flight performance. DJI has consistently improved flight time in every generation. The Mini 6 Pro could offer around 40 to 45 minutes of maximum flight time with the standard battery, and possibly even more with an extended battery option. This gives creators more time in the air and fewer battery swaps during shoots. Combined with improved battery efficiency and smarter power management, this could be one of the longest flying drones in its weight class. Wind resistance is another critical factor. Lightweight drones often struggle in strong wind, but DJI has been improving motor power and stabilization algorithms. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to handle level 5 wind resistance comfortably, making it reliable for coastal shoots, mountain trips, and open landscape filming. Obstacle avoidance is where things get even more exciting. Earlier Mini models introduced forward, backward, and downward sensors. The Mini 6 Pro could feature enhanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing, giving it better awareness in complex environments. This is especially important for beginners who are learning to fly and want extra safety. Improved APAS Advanced Pilot Assistance System will allow smoother obstacle bypassing while recording. Tracking and intelligent flight modes will also be more advanced. DJI's ActiviTrack system continues to evolve, and the Mini 6 Pro is expected to offer smarter subject recognition, better tracking accuracy, and smoother cinematic movements. Whether you are tracking a cyclist, a car, or yourself while walking, the drone should maintain stable framing even if the subject changes direction quickly. Transmission technology is another major highlight. DJI's latest OcuSync systems have dramatically improved range and signal stability. The Mini 6 Pro is likely to use an upgraded transmission system offering up to 15 to 20 kilometers of maximum range under ideal conditions. More importantly, it will provide stronger real-world signal stability in urban and interference-heavy environments. Clear 108p live feed on the controller ensures accurate framing and safer flying. Speaking of controllers, DJI may bundle the Mini 6 Pro with the advanced DJI C2 controller featuring a built-in screen. This eliminates the need to attach a smartphone, making the setup faster and more convenient. The display is bright enough for outdoor use, and the interface is optimized for quick settings adjustments. Now let's talk about safety features. Return to home functionality will likely be smarter and more accurate with improved GPS precision. The drone will automatically calculate the safest and most efficient path back to the home point. In case of low battery or signal loss, it will return safely without user input. Another area where DJI could improve is storage. The Mini 6 Pro may include larger internal storage, possibly 4 gigabytes or more, so even if you forget your microSD card, you can still capture important footage. Quick transfer feature will allow fast wireless transfer of files directly to your smartphone for instant editing and sharing. For creators, audio capture is not directly related to drones, but DJI has been integrating ecosystems. While the drone itself does not record audio from the sky, pairing your ground footage with DJI microphones such as DJI Mic can complete the content creation setup. Let's talk about use cases. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is perfect for travel vloggers because it is lightweight, compact, and powerful. It fits easily in a backpack and does not attract too much attention. Real estate videographers can use it for smooth property flyovers. Adventure creators can capture mountain landscapes, beaches, and city skylines with cinematic quality. Even beginners can start with confidence because of the advanced safety systems. Price is always a key question. DJI typically positions the Pro versions at a premium but still competitive price point. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to be priced slightly higher than the Mini 4 Pro at launch, depending on the package and accessories. Combo bundles with extra batteries and carrying bags will likely be available. Now let's compare it to its predecessor. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 6 Pro is expected to offer better sensor performance, improved obstacle sensing, stronger transmission range, and possibly better battery life. While the core concept remains the same, the internal improvements could make a noticeable difference in real-world shooting. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 6 Pro represents the evolution of compact aerial filmmaking. It combines portability, safety, intelligent features, and professional-grade camera performance in a tiny frame. For content creators who want high-quality aerial shots without carrying a heavy drone, this could be the perfect solution. DJI continues to prove that innovation does not depend on size. Even under 250 grams, the Mini 6 Pro could deliver results that once required much larger and more expensive drones. This drone is not just about flying. It is about freedom, creativity, and capturing perspectives that were once impossible. If DJI delivers on these expectations, the Mini 6 Pro could become the most popular compact drone of its generation. And that wraps up the full detailed breakdown of the DJI Mini 6 Pro.